Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a new paragraph in Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end. This is just a quick video tutorial. So, for a deeper dive into the topic and to access additional information about new paragraph in Messenger that we couldn't cover in this video, please check out our comprehensive blog post on techyournow.com. While writing messages, if it has been longer than expected, we tend to want to change the paragraph, but we may not know how to do it. In this video, I will show you how to start a new paragraph in Facebook Messenger using mobile app and on computer. Paragraphs help to divide your messages in a way that makes them easier to read and understand. You can also be used to highlight specific points or ideas. Let's first learn to start a new paragraph in Messenger on mobile app. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile phone. After opening, go to the chat conversation where you want to send a message. Then, type a message and tap the Enter key on your keyboard. To create a visible space between the paragraphs, tap the Enter key twice. If you are using Messenger on computer, let's learn how you can make a new paragraph in Messenger using the desktop web app. First, open a web browser and go to messenger.com. You can also use facebook.com instead of Messenger website. Now, open the chat where you want to send a message. After type a message on chat box. To start a new paragraph, hold down the Shift key and press the Enter key. The paragraph will change immediately after you press Shift plus Enter. This is exactly you make a new paragraph in Facebook Messenger using mobile app and computer web app. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips videos like this.